Let's make a bigger, better meatless meatball marinara for under £4. Here are a few items I will be using to recreate the Subway sub. While your balls are in the oven, whack your choice of bread onto a baking tray. When your balls are nicely cooked, pop them onto the bread and add your sauce of choice, whichever marinara takes your fancy, and then top generously with some vegan mozzarella cheese. Once your cheese is nice and melty and your bread is nice and toasty, you can top it off with anything that floats your boat. I chose to use this new plant menu vegan mayonnaise from Tesco's and some mixed green and purple leaves, and then I just cut it up and topped it with a little bit more of vegan mayo. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Oh my, one has just had a VGASM.